Hi everybody, thanks for coming back to my channel. Look what I have. It's from Benefit Cosmetics and it's called Beauty and the Bay, and it's honoring, I guess, San Francisco because it has, check it out, it's just gorgeous. Talk about fancy packaging, right? We got the Beauty and the Bay, and there is the bridge. Beautiful artwork. I love what they did here. They really get us to buy their cosmetics when they do stuff like this to us. Okay, it does not unscrew. It pops off. There we go. Ooh, look how fun this is. So this is what it looks like when you open it. So here we have, this is the little bronzer. It's a cute little box here, and you can see I'm opening it. And inside we've got our little brush, and inside there is the bronzer. Next, we have got our highbrow pencil. This is creamy brown highlighting pencil. It's to highlight your eyebrow. So we will be checking this out. Let's see. Oh yeah, see? And it goes on very creamy. And when you smudge it, it gives you a little bit of shimmer. So that goes on the eyebrows. What else do we have here? Here comes the mascara. This is called Their Real Mascara. It's in Beyond Black. So let's see what the brush looks like. Yeah, just a nice plain brush. Can you see it? We have the High Beam. That's for it's called Satiny Pink. It's a complexion highlighter. So I shall be trying this on next. And it comes in a little brush. And I'll put a little on the hand there. Oh, and that gives you like a shimmery tone on your skin. I think I'll use it on my cheekbones and around my eye to lighten up my face. Let's try this makeup on and see how it goes on and what it looks like. I'm going to start by using my Estee Lauder Perfectionist foundation. I really enjoy this product. It goes on very creamy, and it's medium coverage, so it really takes away any red blotchiness. I prefer to put my makeup on with my hands. I did try the sponges, and the sponges seem to soak up all my makeup. So I prefer to use my hands, and so far that seems to work pretty great. So how were your holidays? Hopefully everybody had a good one. I've been helping take care of a woman who is almost like a mom to me. I've known her since I was born. She is 99 years old, okay? Her nickname is Butchie, that's what we call her. And we love her so much. And she recently needed extra care. She did fall down in her home, and now she is in a rehab center, and we are trying to get her better so she can go back to her home, and we'll have to get some caregivers for her, but she's doing fabulous. 99 years old, and people do often ask her, how do you do it? How do you live so well and stay so young at 99? And you know what she tells people? She says, it's important to bake. She's always been a baker. She taught me how to work my way around a kitchen. And she also rakes her own leaves. About a month ago, she was just raking her own leaves. So she's a pretty amazing woman. Genetics help. But I think it's her attitude, because when you ask her about it, she says, always have a good attitude. She never says anything negative. She never complains about how she's feeling. She never says she's old. She just admitted her age just a couple years ago. I had no idea how old she was. Okay, so we got our foundation. I have that put on. And now I'm going to go ahead and do my blush just a little bit. So this is my Bare Minerals blush that I love. I'll list everything underneath this video in case you want to try any of this stuff for yourself. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the cheekbones and blend it in. It goes on pretty easily. This is just a nice little jar of it, and I like to use this brush It's going on pretty good. A little bright, so I can blend it in. I like just a hint of makeup. When I put makeup on, it's going to be something practical. I don't like to look like a supermodel when I'm leaving the house. I just want to look presentable. Next, I'm going to put a little eyeshadow on. This is from MAC Cosmetics. This is the Burgundy ×9. I bought this a while ago, and I really like it. The colors are flattering. They're just a little hint of reddish color on them, and I really enjoy the colors. So I'm going to add some of that. I'm going to go in with the reddish color on my lids here for the darker color. And I'm wetting my brush just a tiny bit with a wet paper towel. And this is really great quality eyeshadow. I love the way it just stays on. It doesn't go in any creases. Okay, and then I'm going to use this flatter brush to do the top part of my eye in the lighter color. I'm going to pick that one there. And I'm only going to use 2 colors. So I have a little pop of color, little burgundy pop of color. Now let's go to the Benefit Cosmetics because we have the highbrow highlighter pencil. So what we want to do with this is highlight the bones above our eyes. So I'm just going to do a tiny line across and then just blend it. It's very creamy. You can see it's going on very creamy, and I'm going to just blend it in with my finger. And yeah, I'm going to put a little bit more on this side and a little blendy. And all that's doing is adding a tiny hint of shimmer above my eyes, just under my eyebrow. Now let's try the High Beam Satiny Pink Complexion Highlighter. I like the way it brushes on, so we'll give it a try. So I'm going to just do little dabs like that, and then I'm going to blend it in. So it's going to, oh yeah, it gives me a nice shimmer. I don't know if you can tell, but the way the light's hitting it, it is giving me a nice shimmer. You can see the difference on each side. So let me do a few dots there and just do a little blending. So if I go, to a New Year's party or something, I will have glowing cheeks. Again, it's subtle. Subtle's good for me. So do you have someone in your life that was like a parent to you? Somebody like my Butchie? They're nice to have in life. I know there were times, especially when I was a teenager, that I didn't want to go to my mom or dad and talk to them about something. So I had somebody outside the family to go to. And it was really nice to have someone like that. She was like a mom, but also like a girlfriend. And she still is. She's still like my best friend. And it's so tough to see her aging at 99. Life is a struggle, but darn if she still has that great attitude. I'm picky with mascaras. So let's see how this one goes on. I don't like when they, gunk up on your eyelashes. So let me try this. I'm doing just the tips. Can you see a difference? Yes, I can see the difference. This mascara is making a nice, really giving me some enhancement on my eyelashes. I'm liking it. And then the bottom, here's how I do my bottom lashes. Just a little wiggle. And I don't see it clumping up. It's great. All right, I got a little tiny clump, but that was my fault. I put that on a little too thick. So far, so good. I'm liking the Benefits makeup. And I'd like to do the lips. Who makes this one? It's called Super Stay 24 Hour Color. And it's by Maybelline. The reason I like this is because it stays on. I don't like reapplying makeup all day long. So watch this. It's a stain. So it has two parts, this and this side, which has the like chapstick part. I like this brush, by the way. It's easy to get it where I want it on my lips. Then you do that and you wait just, a few seconds because you need it to dry on there. So I'm gonna let it dry for a second. It's a little sticky before I put this stuff on. Actually, it's very sticky on my lips. So I want to get the moisturizer on there. And that finishes it off. Now it's nice and creamy and even a little bit of a wet look to it. This color is 080, kind of a shimmery pinkish color, a little bit of mauve in there. Let's finish off the look with the bronzer. So this came in with that beautiful globe. Here's what it looks like. You gotta love it. Let's do the bronzer now. So I'm going to use the brush that came with it. Might as well give it a try. I usually like using my own brushes, but let's see what this little brush has to say about everything. So I'm going to dab it in there. Cross your fingers. Okay, first I'm going to do the forehead and a little bit across the cheeks and the chin. All right, suddenly I have a tan in January. This brush feels pretty nice, very feathery, kind of nice quality. Okay, by the way, there's a little mirror in the cute little box. Check this out. Very nice. Good packaging, people. So there you have it. There is the finished product. Thanks for getting ready with me today, and thanks for trying out and unboxing. I think I'll attach my San Francisco visit video to the end of this video, so check that out because it really is a beautiful bridge there. I'm glad they celebrated it in this way. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and please like and subscribe, and I will be seeing you soon.